Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tutu Tuesday and we are making a birthday tutu crown. Stay tuned. For this project, we're going to start with our glitter canvas paper and we're going to cut it out the width and the circumference that we want our crown to be. So you can make this as wide and as long as you want it to be. Mine is 3 inches by about 8.5 inches. Once we have the canvas paper cut down the size we'd like it to be, you're going to fold it over a couple times. It's kind of like making snowflakes. If you have a pattern, it's going to be more precise and come out the way you want to every time. But this time I just freehanded this. I just cut some triangular angles into the top part of the canvas paper, and this is how my crown came out. To add a little more detail, I went in with my X-Acto knife on my cutting mat and just cut out a few more angles and shapes. After I have the crown cut down the way I'd like it to look, then I am going to glue it to the back of felt, and that's going to help it be more stable and gives it a little color on the inside. Pay attention when you're gluing it down. Don't do what I did and just randomly slap it down because it'll be stuck in the wrong place. You have to pull it out. So just wanted you guys to see that everything doesn't always go perfect, but it always comes out looking great in the end. So once you have it glued to the felt, then you are going to cut that out. And it should line up pretty close to your canvas paper. The next step is to roll out our tulle, and this is glitter tulle, which is a little stiff, but you can use any kind of tulle. When I use the glitter tulle, I like to use 2 layers, and you're going to stitch one end with a sewing needle and just weave in and out, and you're making a mini tutu. Now we're going to cut 2 pieces of our felt into a circle shape to match the bottom of the crown, and we're going to put one on the bottom of the crown and one on the inside of the crown, and you'll see that in a minute. So using our hot glue gun, we're going to go around 1 piece of that circular felt, and we're going to add our mini tutu to that. Then we're going to add some glue to the bottom of our crown and press it firmly into place. Now, adding some glue to the inside of the crown, we're going to place the other felt piece inside, and that is going to finish it off and close everything up. And you can add your rhinestone embellishments or ribbons, bows, whatever you'd like. Now I'm getting my elastic band ready. These come in all different colors at your local craft store, or you can use a headband that is already ready that you just purchased in the hair supply aisle at the store. And using the hot glue, we're going to attach that to the bottom of the crown, and here's how your tutu crown should come out. Thanks for watching. Bye.